Okay guys, back with another video. Another freight train coming through St David's. It's come from the bungalow. It's going to Westbury Down TC. Won't be at Westbury now until about 3:30 in the morning. And this is training a load of 1,200 tons as well. Quite a chilly old night here at Exeter. I wonder what locomotive this will be. It'd be nice if it was a DB Red. I haven't seen one of those for a while. $66,050 on the locomotive with the EWS Energy nameplate on. I haven't seen that locomotive before. Well, it's gonna have to wait because the barriers are not down, so it looks like it's carrying some kind of sand, cement, as you can see at the top of the wagons. Whatever you call them. Go further at the platform, guys, because the barriers are still not down, so may be able to have a sneaky little shot of it going out, perhaps. It's just started to rain. How lovely. I believe this is going to be stopping at the riverside for a bit. And normally, once a freight train comes in, it normally goes through. It's actually going through now because the barriers are going down, so it'll quickly go up again. There you go, EWS Energy nameplate. Listen to that engine roar. Got a love a Class 66. go, guys. So that, like I said, that's come from the bungalow, and it's going to Westbury down TC, and eventually end up at Westbury at about 3:30 in the morning. It's currently just gone midnight here in Exeter, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that freight video, guys. Just wondering if it is going to go into the Riverside. It's just down the station from here. Or is it going to go past? Just going to... Looks like it's going in the Riverside for a bit. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that freight video, guys. 66050. I've never seen that locomotive before. You have to let me know in the comments if any of you seen that loco before. So that was good. So yeah, until my next video, guys, I will see you all soon. Cheers.